Standard 6, 1.3 Autobiography of a Great Indian Bustard. Introduction. Autobiography is a history of a person's life as narrated by that person, which could be written or oral. Dr. Pramod Patil has used this method of writing to drive home the plight of the great Indian bustards who are on the verge of extinction. Verge means what? Who are in the way of extinction. Let us summarize this lesson. In this lesson, the author acquaints us with the different physical characteristics of the great Indian bustard. Means how to identify great Indian bustard, male and female. What are its physical features? He also talks about their habitat. Habitat means what? The place where they live, their eating habits and other details, apart from providing information about their young ones. He further elaborates that though it is the state bird of Rajasthan, and despite having 10 sanctuaries for their protection, their number is on a decline. Due to uncontrolled population explosion created by man, the Indian bustards were being pushed away from more than 90% of their home regions. There are other reasons for their decline in number like hunting, electric shock, loss of habitat, etc. With the last 200 of the birds left in the world, the lesson reminds us that the birds need our love and support for their survival. The lesson also enlists various ways in which we can do our part to stop the birds from becoming extinct. Which is the heaviest flying bird in India? Well friends, it's me, the great Indian bustard. So we can say that bustard is the heaviest flying bird in India. I feel proud to be known as Great Indian Bustard. I have more than 30 different names in various Indian languages. If you see in different languages, their names are different. In Marathi, I am known as Maldok or Whom. I can weigh up to, what's the weight, normal weight of the bustard, 18 kilos, or can stand up to 4 feet in height, reaching up to your shoulders, children, up to your shoulders, and even higher. I have got a long white neck. What's the color of the neck? White. Wings are brown, brown wings. Tall yellow legs. Legs are yellow, and a black cap on my head. Means on my head the color is black. My wife means what? Female bustard. Mrs. Bustard is smaller and slimmer. It is slimmer, comparatively slimmer than I am. Means male bustard, and her neck is not white. How can you differentiate between male and female bustards? Male bustard has white neck and female bustard does not have. But I have heard humans say that we both look very impressive. Impressive means what? One which evokes admiration. Very beautiful, we can say that. I live in grasslands and deserts along with my other friends including chinkara, blackbird and larks. Means along with other birds, it lives on grasslands and deserts. I eat. What does it eat? I eat everything including snakes, lizards, small fruits and berries and all sorts of insects. Means sort means what? All kinds of insects. What's the food of bustard? Bustard eats chinkara, blackbird, larks, and it also includes snake, lizards, small fruits and berries and all sorts of insects. There is a very healthy habit. But grasshoppers and beetles are my favorite food items. It also eats grasshoppers and beetles.